In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect to a thank you page in WPForms. By the end, your form will automatically send visitors to a clean, confirmation page after they hit submit, which is great for tracking conversions, sharing next steps, or simply offering a better user experience. First, open the form you want to work with in the WPForms builder. From your WordPress dashboard, head to WPForms, then All Forms, and click Edit on the form you want to modify. This takes you straight into the form builder where all your settings live. Once you're in the builder, look to the left sidebar and click Settings, then select Confirmations. This is where you control exactly what happens after someone submits your form. By default, WPForms shows a short success message on the page. That's fine for quick confirmations, but if you want to funnel people to a dedicated thank you page, you'll change that here. Under Confirmation Type, open the drop-down and choose the option that fits your setup. If your thank you page is a published page on your WordPress site, pick Show Page. This lets you choose the page directly from a list of your existing pages, which keeps everything simple and avoids URL typos. If your thank you page is on a different site, or you prefer to paste a specific link, choose Go to URL, Redirect. This option is ideal for external thank you pages, marketing funnels, or when you need a precise destination. Next, confirm the destination. If you selected Show Page, just pick your thank you page from the drop-down. If you selected Go to URL, paste the full link to your thank you page, including the HTTPS prefix. Double-check the link to avoid redirect loops or 404 errors, and make sure the page is published and visible to the public. A quick tip here. Keep your thank you page lightweight and clear. Add a brief message, a call to action, or tracking scripts if you use analytics or ads, so you can measure conversions. Finally, click Save at the top of the form builder. Saving locks in your confirmation settings so the redirect will work the next time someone submits the form. As a best practice, open your site in a new tab and submit a quick test entry to confirm the redirect behaves exactly as expected. That's it. You've set up a redirect to a thank you page in WPForms, giving your visitors a smooth post-submission experience while making your tracking and follow-up easier.